I'm here at Leke Leke Waterfall, located in central Bali in Indonesia. I'm going to take you here on the tour along with some other waterfalls. Hang out and enjoy. Morning to the best part of the day. We had a beautiful sunrise. Like 2 or 3 waterfalls we're gonna hop to. Leke Leke is gonna be one of them. That's where we're gonna go today because I have to take some photos and videos of the room. So I gotta be back by 3 o'clock. So that will be our plan for today. We're gonna go to this little shack again. Pretty much the only place you can eat at if you want like normal food. So it's about 12 noon and about ready to leave. We're gonna check out Tabanan Waterfall and also Leke Leke Waterfall. It looks like they're about a 10-15 minute drive between each other. So those are the 2 waterfalls we're gonna start off with today. And then maybe another waterfall on the way back here depending on time. We made it to Tabanan Waterfall. It's actually on the same access road as Leke Leke Waterfall. Not sure how long this hike is. We'll figure it out when we get down there. 25K a person. From the looks of it, there's no hike. It's just right there. It's kind of nice. So if you're on the time crunch, you want to swing by and catch a waterfall real quick, this is the one for you. Looks kind of cool. Not bad. Wow. Look at that. Great waterfall. If you're wanting to do multiple waterfalls in one day, I say this is a perfect spot to check out on the way to Leke Leke Waterfall because you're not really going to waste any of your time of the day or energy starting here. So it's a good pit stop, get a couple pictures, and then go to Leke Leke Waterfall. That one's pretty easy to hike down as well, but if you were to do both, this one would be better to start off first and then go there after. More of a pleasant entrance. Everything is well groomed and trimmed. Explains the price to get in, which is not a problem. This is actually a really fun waterfall to hike. It's like a hiking through a jungle, and it's pretty easy to hike down. So that's why I'm okay coming back for a second time. Got a restaurant over here. So far it's been pretty quiet walking down. We only saw one couple behind us. And we're just having a nice peaceful walk down. I remember this bridge. Pretty strong. Getting closer, getting closer. I can hear the waterfall already. I think it's just right around the corner. Yep, that's it right there. Somehow, I recorded myself in slow motion telling you how amazing this video is and that you should subscribe, like, comment, email, and share this video with your ex. All that good stuff. If you did actually enjoy this video, make sure you stay tuned for the next 3 episodes where I'll explore over 12 waterfalls in the next 7 days. I will also show you how I cracked the code of how to easily avoid, in my opinion, Bali's biggest scams in tourism. Check out my other adventures on my channel. Make sure you are subscribed so you'll miss out on my very next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.